Welcome to another day of fitness on this Fitness Friday. Imagine yourself, put yourself in the head frame of being on your lunch break and you're walking, right? You're dressed up for work. You're walking, and all that walking. Just imagine if you were getting paid from the walking that you were doing. Well, I'm going to tell you guys that it's possible. And it's not only possible, it's already created. It's called sweatcoin. And guys, I'm going to show you exactly what you can get from sweatcoin. It's an amazing tool that is at your disposal if you have the Apple App Store or if you have the iPhone or the Android store, Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and let's hop right into it, man. The beautiful thing about sweatcoin, something that I really love about it, is that you are able to do it really no matter where you're at. You're able to really, do this no matter where you're at. So it can really help you work out. They even count the steps, I believe, inside your home now. All right, so as you guys can see, you guys are looking at it right now on the screen. As you guys can see, it is 5,813 steps today. That's how much I completed today. And this is my total balance up there. It's $4,929. You see it right up there. And that's how much I have in total. So you can actually buy stuff with that, right? With the sweat coin. So daily bonus or daily boost, you can get 20 minutes every day to actually, get double the points for 20 minutes if I was to open that. So if you're going to take a little jog or something, that's what I recommend. You get double the actual points. So you can invite a friend and get 5 sweat coin. That's pretty cool. And then you can play this little daily bonus. Look, let's go ahead and play one. I won't be on the track and stuff. That's just me personally. All right. So basically you just watch a little bit of this ad right here. And then once you watch this ad, they literally, you're about to see it. You're about to see it any second now. You see the little, if you look at the bottom of the screen, whatever side I got it at, the bottom of this, you can see that there's the time clock telling you how much time you got to watch it. This is long, huh? All right, let's play the game then. Let's play it since we're here. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. All right, we got 5 seconds. Yeah, guys, so the good thing about this app, the main thing for me, is that, it's just a little extra incentive. So when you're out there, a little extra reason if you need one to work out, you got it. So there you go. No, I don't want this. All right, little X. All right, and then we got $6 more sweat coin. All right, so this is some of the stuff that you can buy, and this is your different levels. So the mover one is free, which you get 5 sweat coin daily if you have the mover. And then you have the 10 sweat coin daily, which costs $4 or 4 sweat coin a month. And I'm at the breaker, which you get 20 sweat coins a day and it costs 30 sweat coin a month. And the next one is 99 cents. And, I don't see the need to actually pay for them. It's cool. So I get mine. And so just to show you guys on how you shop for it real quick. So they got age-defying face oil from Simply Skin London. You know what I'm saying? If you need to keep them wrinkles out, whatever you need, get you together. 135 sweat coin. Then you got the beeswax food wraps from the Green Company. They get you together right there, 45. Then you see you got the little bezels right there, 250. And then we got any pair of premium, some glasses right there. The light blocking glasses, $20, a 20 sweat coin. And 235, the sleep vitamins, it costs $235. So there it is. Then we got physical products. They give you a portion off. So you see all the physical products right there. I ain't about to go through them like that. You see them. All right, they got digital offers right here. So you got a little 10, a little 20. And this is pretty cool. So 60-day free membership to Daily Burn. And here's the thing, guys. So I don't know if this stuff is if they actually got good stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if this actually is good. If the 60-day free membership to Daily Burn, maybe they already got something. I don't know. Maybe I think it's exclusive to Sweatcoin. That's how they promote it, and I actually believe that to be. Let's look at it. Okay, you can see right here it is. All right, so that's the case. And all you gotta do is swipe to buy it. So yeah, you guys see everything, and then you can donate to some causes if you would like to. If you're feeling, you get your humanitarian efforts up through your exercise. And then you can bid on some stuff right here. They got a transparent speaker. You can see past auctions. You got the H&M $500 gift card. They got a little 55-inch Samsung 4K smart TV for 24,000 sweat coin, and then some Oculus Quest, $500 Airbnb, a bike. They got a whole bunch of little stuff, man. So I believe Sweatcoin is definitely something that you guys should take a look at. Like I said, as you can see, you can get some stuff on there and it don't cost nothing. So it don't cost nothing, and you'll be able to have something to really just give you an extra incentive as you walk around throughout your day. You already carry your phone with you if you're like most of the people around here. So our phone is literally attached to us as if it's like a part of us. So why not just have this app on there? It runs in the background. So you just have to give it permission to run into the background. I didn't notice any problems with my battery personally. Somebody that I knew, they used to have problems with it, but I ain't never had no problems with it. So yeah, I definitely think it's something for you guys. Definitely worth downloading. And this is not a promotional thing at all. I've been using Sweatcoin since 2018, 2019. I've been using Sweatcoin. Literally, like I've been using it for a while. And I've been using it back when their interface, they used to have like this, you can get $1,000 if you had like or you can get $100 if you have 1,000 sweat coins, something like that. So I've been using it for some time. It's been a long time. I just genuinely like the app. I think it's a cool, just little thing to add to my workout regimen as I just walk around the house, or if I walk around outside, or, you know, I'm going on my jogs, or you see me in the mountains hiking, wherever I'm at, whatever I'm doing, I can get an extra little coin, a little sweat coin for the sweat equity that I'm, producing. All right, guys, that's it. As always, get the step in. Fitness is very important. This is just a little cherry on the top of an already strong foundation of fitness that you should be building. You definitely should be working out, baby. Get out there and get your workout on. It's the weekend. Get to it.